IKEA. I'm going to put my little clips of IKEA on the back here. I spent $107, that was it. And I got 4 floating shelves, which are kind of what these are, where they don't have brackets. Those. Well, they do have brackets, but they're hidden so that it doesn't take up more wall space. So I got 4 of those. And this little wood tray that has like a big jar, a medium jar, and 2 small jars that are glass that you put on your vanity or whatever. I looked at something, it was like drawers and then a desktop and then legs, but they didn't have the legs, so I like hesitated, and it was, you got it in, then I decided it was too big because I'm not going to have very much room in those rooms. So I'm looking at vanities because I don't think I'm really going to be able to put my makeup on in the bathroom very easily. So I'm looking at small vanities. And what else did I get at IKEA? I got a jar of jam, lingonberry jam. And then I got 2 sets of, they're these super strong suction cups, and then they have this white thing about that deep, about that big, that you put your shampoos and stuff in and you stick them up in your shower. So I got those 2, the jam, the little jars, and the 4 floating shelves for $107. So watch the video, you see my little trip. I should have done more, but I kept forgetting to film. Anyway, here's my IKEA. I'll do more of like storage solutions and stuff down the road, but this is just my first little adventure at IKEA. I'm sure I will go again and figure out some more storage solutions. So watch it and tell me what you think. I've decided, I went with my friend over there and unloaded the stuff I bought at IKEA, and she went in and looked around. She kind of told me, and I think she's right, at least the bedroom, probably both front rooms, need to be painted. The bedroom's got some kind of stain on the wall that may or may not come off, but I'm thinking about it. Right now it's like a dark beige, and I'm thinking about painting it a pale kind of bluish gray, calming color. Because it's a real small room, and that dark tan or whatever makes it kind of look dark in there. So if I paint it that light gray, I think it'll make it open it up a little bit. So I'm gonna have to talk to Tammy and see if she can maybe at least move the stuff out of the bedroom, maybe into the other room a little earlier than I initially told her, so I can paint. This is all like overwhelming, I'm sure, for her, because initially I told her, oh, in a couple years I'm going to be moving back in, and then all of a sudden it was like, in May I'm going to be moving back in. So it went from a couple years to a couple months, so that's a little overwhelming. And I get that. It's a little overwhelming for me too. So I spent most of the day packing, went to lunch with some friends. I had breakfast tacos because they didn't have anything gluten-free, and I got a hair in my food, and it was like, so I showed it to them, and they gave me my meal free, but I was kind of done. Once I had that happen, I'm like, okay, I don't want any more. All done. I'm full. I didn't expect them to call it my meal, but they did, which was nice. So anyway, check out my IKEA, and I'll see you soon with my Wee Blessings is on the way, so that should be here Friday or Saturday. So we'll do a Wee Blessings unboxing then. And then my Stitch Fix is coming the first week of May, so we'll do that one too. So we got a couple clothing unboxings coming to a screen near you. Watch my IKEA video. Look where I am. I'm at IKEA. This is my friend Tanya. She's taking me. We'll go inside and see what we see.
You can hide your little power strip in there.
I like this little desk here. Drawers and a place to hide your power strip.
I can film you doing it.
That's okay. I thought about getting these cubes, but I'm not sure. Like those shelves. I really like this for storage, but I'm kind of committed to the white. But it's really pretty. The black and the gold. These are the shelves. I want to get at least 2 of these for each room. Maybe some for the bathroom too. Look at this island. It's really cool. It's kitcheny on one side and living roomy on the other side. Very nice room. I've been forgetting to take you with me to show you what I'm getting. This is suction cups and it holds in the shower. I'm getting 2 of them, and then this little wire thing just for fun. And then this, I can put some makeup in. It's like, it's a big jar, a medium jar, and 2 little jars. So far, that's what I'm getting.